What's up, guys? Today we're taking a look at the cow print hoodie blanket. So let's go ahead and show you guys what that actually means. Wow. So this is it. And basically, it's a hoodie blanket for adults, female or male. And that's what it looks like. You got huge pockets. You also have a pouch that you can put stuff in. So you can put stuff in the pouch here. You have a pocket on the left and right side. A huge hood. I mean huge. So overall, if you want to just chill, maybe Netflix and do some chilling, you got a nice big old hoodie. See you in the next review.